So I bought this soldering iron from AliExpress. At first I wasn't overly impressed with it. Kind of would get hot and the temperature was, I don't know, sometimes I couldn't melt solder, sometimes I could. But I discovered inside of here a bit of a flaw, which I'm going to do another video, show you how to correct that issue. It's quite simple. But anyways, I went to use it tonight and I had it on all the way up on high, and what I noticed was this tip is glowing red. I was pretty impressed with it. I've never seen that on a soldering iron. And I've used cheap soldering irons, expensive soldering irons, and the one thing I've never been able to do is light a cigarette from one. So that was pretty impressive, but definitely worth its money. Nice little grip. I like it. I'm definitely going to order another one because I use these quite a bit, and we'll find out in time how well it holds up. But impressive. I like it. Thanks for watching.